Rolling.
Hello fans, I'm Nandini Roy from Cine Speaks in conversation with Pooja Batra. Hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm great, Nandini. Thank you.
It's been so long. आपको इतने दिनों के बाद पर्दे पे हम देख रहे हैं. इतना इंतजार क्यों करवाया आपने?
I didn't know कि लोग इंतजार कर रहे थे.
लोग बहुत बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे थे आपका.
Actually, last year मेरी एक पंजाबी फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी. This year I had a Hollywood film come out, One Under the Sun, and now it's Mirror Game. अब खेल शुरू. So you know, I know I इतनी फिल्में नहीं कर रही थी मैं, but still on an average it's not bad.
So what is this movie all about? The Mirror.
It's a suspense thriller. It's a psychological thriller. I play Dr. Roy. She is a police psychologist, and the script is very interesting. It's a very intelligent script.
What said you? Why did you say yes to this particular script?
Because the script is very nice, and my role is very good. और मैंने आज तक किसी भी मूवी में अपनी मूवी में पुलिस साइकोलॉजिस्ट का रोल प्ले नहीं किया था, so that was unique. I also wanted to be a part of a thriller. So that's the reason why.
आपको क्या लगता है बॉलीवुड में इतना क्या चेंजेस आया? You think Bollywood has evolved with time?
Well, you know, everything evolves with time. You know, evolution is time sensitive and it's related to time. You know, the new generations are evolved, the new filmmakers are evolved, the new actors are evolved, the audiences have evolved.
Yes.
So everything has sort of evolved.
So you think कि अभी जो आप जॉनर कर रही हैं, ये जॉनर का इतना स्कोप है बॉलीवुड में अभी भी?
Suspense thrillers, the genre is not really done in Bollywood. इतना ज़्यादा नहीं किया जाता है because वो suspense maintain करना throughout the film is a little hard. So the script has to be the tricky part of it. But I love watching suspense thrillers. I love thrillers, you know. So it doesn't have to be horror. It's not horror. It doesn't have to be gritty. But it's just suspense driven, you know. So ये मूवी में वो है. और काफ़ी इंटेलिजेंट स्क्रिप्ट है, कोई गाने नहीं हैं. It's completely Hollywood style. It's made completely in a Hollywood way. शूटिंग भी इसकी न्यूयॉर्क न्यू जर्सी में हुई. और this is the first time I'm working with Parveen Dabas.
So do you think your role was challenging?
I mean, it's a role that I have not played before. So in that respect, it's a different role.
So what a preparation you had to do for this role?
I took a vacation. Preparation, कोई. So you know, I mean, I've been telling everybody that I've done therapy myself as for a person for my sort of things that I felt uncertain about or I was insecure about. I was going through a personal trauma in my life, and for that I had to go through therapy. और अमेरिका में तो कहा जाता है कि you're not an Angelino till you've done therapy, right? So when I was offered this movie, I was going through therapy, and I wanted to play being sitting on that chair. I wanted to be a therapist to see how to you know, behave with the subject who's trying to say कि मेरे में ये है वो है, or going through somebody's personal problems, you know. So it was actually a very different role for me, a very different character for me, and I wanted to play it.
Also would like to know what's your take on failure? आपको क्या लगता है कि failure हर सबकी ज़िंदगी में failure आना चाहिए क्योंकि वो कुछ आपको सिखा के जाता है. आपको क्या सोचना है?
आपको क्या लगता है? आप बताइए.
मुझे लगता है, मेरे हिसाब से मुझे लगता है फेलियर सबकी ज़िंदगी में कुछ सिखा के जाता है और मुझे लगता है कि होना चाहिए फेलियर सबकी ज़िंदगी में आना चाहिए.
Awesome.
आपको क्या लगता है?
Same. I think it's a part and parcel of everybody's life. किसी की भी लाइफ में ऐसा तो कभी हुआ नहीं कि सक्सेस ही सक्सेस होता है. Every step there is failure, there is disappointment, there is setback, there are setbacks. Life is hard, and actually it's hard for everybody. So I echo what you said.
और बॉलीवुड में आप किन लोगों के साथ, जो भी आपके एक्टर्स को एक्टर्स थे, आप उनके साथ अभी भी टच में हैं?
जी.
बिकॉज आप बिल्कुल स्पॉटलाइट से चली गई थी, हमें ऐसा लगता है.
Spotlight.
So we are
So you're what?
So we're very happy to have you back, and
Thank
we are
you.
just waiting for the movie to release.
Thank you. No, I'm in touch with my co-stars.
Hmm.
I'm lucky that they are also in touch with me because a lot of actors LA भी आते रहते हैं.
Hmm.
और मैं इंडिया हमेशा आती हूँ. मैं साल में 2 बार आ जाती हूँ इंडिया, कभी 3 बार. Like last year I came to India 7 times. So I was more in India than I was in LA. So आजकल वो रहा नहीं है कि ओ आप LA इतनी दूर रहते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's just a flight away. You know, so I make a conscious effort to stay in touch with my
और आपने
co-stars.
विजित सर के साथ जैसे फिल्म किया, तो कब मुलाकात हुई आपकी पहली बार? क्या कैसे मूवी का डिसाइड हुआ? कुछ सस्पेंस जाना चाहते हैं हम?
बताती हूँ. So Vijit contacted me directly for this role, and I had never heard of Vijit, and I didn't know anything about him. So I had my manager. I had Vijit reach out to my manager. I said, please, my manager will take it from here. So first thing we did is we asked for the script. तो वहीं आधे लोग तो वहीं यू टर्न हो जाते हैं क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट होती नहीं है लोगों के पास, या स्क्रिप्ट के बियॉन्ड समटाइम्स यू डोंट लाइक द स्क्रिप्ट. सो आई लाइक द स्क्रिप्ट व्हेन आई रेड इट, एंड विजित हैड टोल्ड मी कि दिस इज डॉक्टर रॉय इज योर कैरेक्टर, सो दैट्स द रोल वी वांट यू टू प्ले. So I liked that too. And then pretty much all the other variables when they were figured out, I just asked him, you tell me कब shooting है, and मैं इंडिया में थी तब, तो मेरी एक अमेरिकन टीवी शो की शूटिंग चल रही थी यहाँ पे. सो आई वेंट स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम इंडिया टू न्यू जर्सी.
हॉलीवुड में आपको देखा जा रहा है, तो हॉलीवुड में आपका क्या आगे और क्या चल सकता है? आप हर बात में, हर चीज़ में सस्पेंस नज़र आ रहा है मुझे.
हाँ, सस्पेंस. वो कैरेक्टर में. No. So my first Hollywood movie was One Under the Sun, in which I played an astronaut, Catherine Voss. It was a very fantastic script for me because the character, she has to go to Mars. I mean, I'll be the first person who's been to Mars other than the Martian, other than Matt Damon. I go to Mars and I come back to Earth, and when I come back I become a fugitive on Earth, and I have special powers.
So do you think there is a huge difference between Bollywood and Hollywood, like the way the filmmaking is done, the process and everything?
Not really.
Not really.
Not really. I think nowadays not really, because it's such a serious profession. There's so much money on the table. There's so much money that is being used. So I think everybody is very professional now. Everybody takes it seriously. Not that in our time also we took it seriously, but it's become more professional.
फिटनेस के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
I think fitness is key. It's very important. It's important.
आप
for your
जैसे
brain.
पहले दिखते थे, आप उससे ज़्यादा और भी खूबसूरत दिखने लगी हैं, तो we would want to know कि क्या सीक्रेट है?
How
Would want you to give 5 tips to our
5?
audience. Yes, 5
Not
tips.
1, not 2, 5.
5 tips, yeah.
On fitness
हाँ,
or
on skin?
Skin.
On skin, on hair, on diet.
5.
5.
Skin.
Hmm.
Eat healthy. एक. Second भी skin पे दे दूँ.
दे दीजिए.
Keep hydrate a lot. So you have to drink a lot of water, especially in the summer. So you have to drink like at least you have to aim at drinking a glass an hour. So in the night you're sleeping 8-9 hours, so you have to do 2 glasses an hour. That much hydration. मेरे को भी करना पड़ेगा. अच्छा, then you have to eat very healthy, because my mantra is that you are what you eat.
Yeah.
So if you eat unhealthy, you will look unhealthy. So you have to eat healthy. You have to eat superfoods. You have to eat fruits. You have to eat veggies. Different colors means different antioxidants. So you have to mix all that. It has to be a rainbow of colors that you have to eat. So that's 3 tips. Fourth, you have to remain physically active. That means you have to either go walking or swimming or yoga or, I don't know, climb the steps, don't take the elevator, or just do frog jumps or just do like abs or do something.
Any activity.
Any
Don't
activity.
just sit idle at home and expect yourself to look.
Yeah, you can't just sit on your butt.
Yes.
Butt starts hurting. Fourth, right?
Yeah. The
And the
fifth.
fifth tip I would say is you have to keep your mind active. You have to evolve. So आजकल it's not just eating healthy and staying healthy. Your health is an integrated thing of your mind, your body, and your exercise routine.
They all come into play.
Exactly, it's integrated.
Hmm.
So how do you keep your mind healthy? You meditate.
Yes.
You read. You learn something, or you go plant trees.
वैसे भी इतना ज़्यादा डिफॉरेस्टेशन हो रहा है तो हमें प्लांट करना
करना
ज़रूरी
चाहिए ना? Yeah, you have to plant trees. So that's like the fifth and a half step to being healthy.
मैं एक और चीज़ आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि अब आपका क्या अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट ऑल प्रोजेक्ट्स आर यू
Doing.
डूइंग
So I just did a documentary called Save Her. It's on human trafficking, and the subject, unfortunately, was a girl from Hyderabad. So she's talking about her life, how she kind of got into this profession and how she got out of it, and her sort of mental state. So I narrate for her, like I lent my voice. So that's what I did, and the documentary is Save Her.
ओके
It's called Save Her.
कैन वी ऑल्सो सी यू ऑन टेलीविजन
Unless it's a fantastic show, very unlikely. Unless I'm judging something, very unlikely. Not as a contestant. It's not something I'm keen on doing. And
So 2-3 years back, there was this rumors that you will be there in the Big Boss.
they keep calling me every year.
Yeah, and
And I'm
unfortunately
like-
we don't get to see you there.
That's fortunately. That's very fortunately.
Yeah, so
No.
So 2nd June को आपकी मूवी आ रही है. I am very excited to watch it, and I would want each one of you to please go to the cinema hall, nearest cinema hall, and please watch this movie. You will love her performance. बहुत कुछ बात की जा रही है इस मूवी के बारे में. इस मूवी का जॉनर बहुत अच्छा है एंड कुछ नया देखने को मिलेगा. रोम कॉम तो देखते ही रहते हैं, बट आज जो आप मूवी देखेंगे जून 2 को, वो बहुत ही अमेजिंग होने वाला है.
Thank
आप
you.
क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे ऑडियंस से?
I'm just saying that I'm very excited कि मेरी मूवी मिरर गेम अब खेल शुरू आ रही है. I guarantee you will be on the edge of your seats.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for talking to us.
Thank you.